and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove DRM legally. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it, removing a DRM, which is digital rights management, for personal use such as archiving, format shifting, or reading on different devices can be achieved using tools like Calibre with the help of DRM plugin for ebooks. So while generally considered as a gray area or technically against the DMCA in the US for bypassing copyright protection, doing this for personal non-commercial use is really prosecuted. So you can simply use softwares like Calibre, or like you can simply have your Calibre installed in your desktop and simply get the DRM plugin from GitHub. You can download the ebook and remove DRM legally. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.